Welcome Australia to the Jimy Tools 42-inch modularized Connect series. We'll be showcasing our career-spanning professional grade toolboxes in a range of color options. All right, so now starting with the roller cab with the following dimensions. So first we've got height at 1010 millimeters, including the caster wheels. Excluding the caster wheels, it comes to 860 millimeters. You've got your depth coming up to 570 mil. So on this one, you've got the width at 42 inches or 1070 millimeters, and then give an extra 100 mil for the handle on the side. So this one here comes with 12 of our extra deep drawers coming in at 500 mil, and then they're all lined with these high quality, durable pre-cut drawer liners. So here we've got our durable full extension ball bearing slides. Each pair of these hold up to 60 kilos of weight capacity. And you've also got these dual pair slides on 3 of your bigger drawers, which can hold up to 120 kilos each. So the drawers on these ones will snap shut for stronger drawer retention and convenience. The bottom right hand oversized drawer is ideal for storage of bulky items such as power tools. The steel thickness on these is 1.2 mil on the body and 1 mil on the drawers. These robust units weigh in at 138 kilos, which makes them one of the heaviest 42-inch boxes in the Australian marketplace today. So we've got this high quality bench top with industrial rubber mat, which can handle up to 350 kilos, which means there's a total 1,250 kilos toolbox weight load capacity. So a contributing factor to this significant weight load capacity is due to the multi-gauge welded case design. We've also got an integrated single keyhole lock system that keeps all your tools safe and secure. At the base here, we've got 4 5-inch high and 2-inch wide heavy duty caster wheels. You've got 2 fixed and then 2 swivel with a braking mechanism on both the swivel wheels. You've got a robust push handle to be placed on the swivel caster wheel side for easy maneuverability. And then cosmetically, we've finished off with a tough powder coated gloss finish for wear and rust resistant. All Jimy toolboxes are manufactured to exceed international quality standards and all come with a 12-month warranty. So with the Connect series being a modularized design, we provide a consistent, sleek look and fitment across all add-on box options, and an ability to expand your storage space over time with top chests, side cabinets, and side lockers. The top chest adds another 7 drawers of storage and a very spacious top compartment. So we've got 2 drawers containing the double ball bearing slides. The top chest adds another 680 kilos of weight load capacity. You'll notice in the back compartment we have 3 drop-down locking latches. So when you close the top lid of this, the latches drop down the back of the drawer and actually keep these drawers closed shut. So to complete the modularized design, we can add on a 7-drawer side cabinet or a 2-drawer side locker for a bit of extra storage space. So each type of add-on module can be placed on either side of the roll cab, each containing uniform depth and height for consistency. These add-on modules are compatible with all of our 42-inch, 56 and 72-inch Connect series toolboxes. And there you have our complete walkthrough on these modularized Connect series toolboxes. Now these are the best bang for your buck professional quality toolboxes available on the entire Australian marketplace today. We've also chosen these boxes to house our professional quality Jimy hand tools range. So we're an Australian owned and operated business since 1993 with up to 24 months interest-free financing available on most of our toolboxes. Thanks for watching, guys.